Well, Fanny spent 3/5 of her money and Jess spent 3/8 of her money, and they then had the same amount of money left. If the total amount of money left was $860, what was the total amount of money spent? Firstly, according to the fractions, Fanny spent 3/5 of her money. That means to say Fanny had a total of 5 units of money. She spent 3 units and left with 2 units. Alright? Spent 3 units, left with 2 units, total 5 units. And looking at the statement here, Jess spent 3/8 of her money. That means to say Jess had altogether 8 parts of her money. And she spent 3 parts and left with, therefore, 5 parts. Alright? So now we are told that they had the same amount of money left. So we draw the model as such. Okay? Fanny had 2 units left, which is in equivalent model of Jess 5 parts left. Okay? And let's continue drawing the model for Fanny. She had a total of how many units? 5 units. So extend the model into 5 units. And this 3 units was being spent. Whereas for Jess had a total of 8 parts. Okay? 5 parts was left and therefore 3 parts was spent. Got it? Now, looking at the model, straight away we know that 2 units is equivalent to 5 parts. Alright, making use of LCM principle, or lowest common multiples of 2 and 5, which is 10, we're going to cut each unit into 5 blocks. Each unit into 5 blocks and each part into 2 blocks. Alright, so you do that. But instead of cutting, sometimes the model turns ugly. You also can replace by drawing arrow. Okay, since 1 unit is equal to 5 blocks, 2 units will be 10 blocks, which is equivalent to 5 parts. Okay, so 1 unit is equal to how many blocks? 5 blocks. So you make sure that you put it down here. Alright. So each part is equal to 2 blocks. So 3 parts will be 6 blocks. So we have a remainder of how many blocks here? 9 blocks. Because 3 units is equal to 15 blocks. 15 blocks minus 6, that gives you 9 here. Alright, if you don't want to draw the, cut the model, you have to make sure that it indicates all this precisely first. Okay, to prevent careless mistake on calculations. Now, we are told that the total amount of money left, okay, was 860. So looking at this part of model, so Fanny's amount of money left, 2 units plus Jess' amount of money left equivalent. Okay, 5 blocks, 5 parts, which is a total of 10 blocks each, so 20 blocks. Okay, which is equal to $860. So 20 blocks is equal to 860, therefore 1 block will be $43 if you divide 860 by 20. Okay, now the question asks, what was the total amount of money spent? Which is here. This is the total of money spent. Okay, you calculate, you have 6 plus 9. Alright, 6 plus 9 plus 6, altogether you have 21 blocks. Okay, so this is the total amount of money spent. 1 block is 43, so 21 blocks is 43 by 21. That gives you the figure of $903. So the answer is 903. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.